Okay, so here's where we're at so far. I've pulled everything apart. I haven't actually pulled the crank out yet. Just don't feel like doing it at the moment. I need to pull it out, polish the main journals, because whoever put this together, whatever machine shop, had no clue what they were doing. They did not deburr the oil galleys after machining the crank, among other things, and it ate some rod bearings. The cam bearings all look like that. I don't want to run an engine with those in it. They look a little rough to me. Almost couldn't get the camshaft out. I had to use a pry bar on the sprocket to pull the camshaft out because it would not come out. So that's what I got so far. And the new cam bearings I ordered from work come in, open the box, and someone had tried to install them and had tore up all the bearings. So it's one thing after another. About to do some polishing with some 1000 grit. Oh, hush, dog. But that's where we at.